Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is a nightclub slow dance clip showing you how to do a pivot turn. We're going to do a basic, a pivot turn, and another basic. That's going to look like this. It goes 7, 8, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's nice and relaxed, and basically all we're doing is the guy steps forwards 1, he turns to his right, he steps back 2, he turns to his right, he steps forward 3, he turns to his right, he steps back 4, and then you're back into basic. So from the lady's point of view, you're just following the guy's frame and always being in front of him. So let's walk through it slow. Let's do one basic. We get forwards, rotate, side, side. So now guys, we're going to go forwards, that's normal. We're going to turn to our right and we're going to step back with our right, bringing the lady with us, 2. We're going to continue to turn right and step forwards, 3. We're going to continue to turn right and step back, 4. And then all we're going to do, finishing off back into the direction we were before, we're going to do our basic, forwards, rotate on the way back, side, side. So let's do that to numbers. Here we go, nice and slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. Forwards, rotate, side, side. Turn right, turn right, turn right, turn right. Forwards, rotate, side, side. You may end up with slightly different amounts of rotation depending upon how fast you go. With a bit of practice you'll find you end up doing 360 over 4 steps. Hope you enjoyed that. We'll be back next time with another nightclub slow dance clip showing you something else you can add to your routines and freestyle. Like, subscribe, hit the bell, you'll know every time a new video comes out. We'll pop a music recommendation on the end, and take care out there.
I hope you have enjoyed learning some nightclub slow dance. There is a link to some music that is good to dance nightclub slow dance to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You're helping us to make more clips. Keep dancing, everybody.